and thanks for joining us on the news at 5 Thursday, May 26, 2022 on ACV Port Harcourt. In the news at 5 p.m., Senator Magnus Abe denies defecting from APC. Rivers PDP governorship candidate promises to work with other aspirants. Tributes for and for elder statesman Edwin Clark on his birthday. Now details. I am Boniface Moriah.
I am Charles Winning.
APC governorship aspirant in Rivers State, Senator Magnus Abe, has dismissed reports of his defection to another party. He told a media conference that there is no way he will dump the APC after all the struggles. He says he believes in a fair fight and will stay in the governorship race to end.
I want to say clearly that I will not accept the outcome, neither will I be bound by it.
Rivers governorship, Abe denies defecting from APC. Rivers PDP former Accountant General emerges governorship candidate. Inaugural election. University Dawn cautions manager against being over-authoritative. For more news stories, kindly visit our website www.silverbirdnews24.com. You can also watch trending news videos on your YouTube channel. We are just a click away on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. File in your eyewitness report on our website or send email to stvnewsph@silverbirdgroup.com. Remember to take responsibility for your health and that of your loved ones. Always wear a face mask in public. Maintain physical distancing and wash your hands frequently to avoid COVID-19.